Today I'm going to show you how to pay an invoice in QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open your company file. From the left side menu, go to Expenses, then select Bills. This will show the bills recorded in your QuickBooks account, including bills that are due or overdue. Find the bill you want to pay. You can use the search bar, filters, or sort by vendor, due date, or amount if the list is long. Once you find the correct bill, go to the Action menu on the right side of that row. Click the drop-down, then select Mark as Paid. This option is used when you already paid the bill outside QuickBooks, such as through online banking, check, or another payment method. QuickBooks is not sending the money here. You're just recording the payment so your books match what actually happened. The bill payment screen will open. Review the vendor name, bill amount, payment date, and payment account. The payment account is the bank, cash, or credit card account the money came from. If you have a check number, transfer ID, or reference number, enter it in the reference field. You can also add a short memo if you need extra notes for your records. If you only paid part of the bill, adjust the payment amount before saving so the remaining balance stays open. Before finishing, check that the vendor, amount, date, payment account, and reference details are correct. Then click Save and Close. QuickBooks will record the payment, mark the bill as paid, and update your account's payable balance. If your bank feed is connected, you can later match the actual bank transaction to this recorded bill payment. And that's how to pay an invoice or vendor bill in QuickBooks Online in 2026.